Do you know the signs of low thyroid hormone? It's a question many of us have never even thought to ask ourselves. Yet, understanding the role of thyroid hormones in our bodies is crucial. This tiny, butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of our necks plays a vital role in our metabolism, growth, and development. In the following moments, we will explore 7 signs that might suggest your thyroid hormone levels are a bit too low. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 signs that could indicate you're low on thyroid hormone. Fatigue is the first sign that you might be low on thyroid hormone. It's not just about feeling tired, it's an overwhelming sense of exhaustion that no amount of sleep seems to fix. The thyroid hormone plays a crucial role in determining your energy levels. When you're low on this hormone, your body slows down, leading to fatigue. The second sign is unexplained weight gain. You might be eating the same, exercising as usual, but the numbers on the scale just keep climbing. This is because the thyroid hormone controls metabolism, the process that turns the food you eat into energy. When your thyroid hormone levels dip, your metabolism slows down. As a result, your body starts storing more energy as fat rather than burning it off. So if you're feeling unusually tired or gaining weight without a change in diet, it could be a sign of low thyroid hormone. It's always important to listen to what your body is telling you. Next up, we have hair loss, sensitivity to cold, and constipation. Let's dive into how these may be linked to low thyroid hormone levels. Beginning with hair loss, it's important to know that thyroid hormones are essential for healthy hair growth. When these hormones dip below the normal range, hair follicles may stop regenerating, leading to noticeable hair loss. Now, let's talk about sensitivity to cold. Thyroid hormones play a crucial role in regulating our body's temperature. A decrease in these hormones can make your body's thermostat go haywire, making you feel colder than usual. Lastly, constipation. The thyroid hormone helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. When it's low, the speed at which your body processes food can slow down, leading to constipation. So, if you're experiencing hair loss, feeling cold when others are warm, or having constipation, it might be time to check your thyroid hormone levels. The last 2 signs are depression and slowed heart rate. Now, let's delve into these final 2 indicators. Depression can sometimes be a manifestation of low thyroid hormone levels. You see, this hormone plays a vital role in regulating our mood and energy levels. So, when the thyroid isn't producing enough of it, you might find yourself feeling down and out more often than not. It's not just a case of having the blues, it's a chemical imbalance that can be rectified with the right medical attention. Moving on to the second sign, a slowed heart rate. The thyroid hormone is responsible for controlling the pace of your heartbeat. When its levels dip, your heart rate can slow down, making you feel sluggish or fatigued. It's not just about feeling relaxed, it's a sign that your body isn't functioning at its optimal pace. Depression and a slowed heart rate could be more than just a mood swing or a relaxed state. It could be an indication of low thyroid hormone levels. To summarize, the 7 signs of low thyroid hormone are fatigue, weight gain, mood swings, dry skin, hair loss, cold intolerance, and memory issues. It's essential to recognize these symptoms as they can significantly impact your daily life. Don't overlook them, as they may indicate a deeper health issue. So if you've recognized any of these signs, it might be time to speak to your healthcare provider about your thyroid hormone levels. Remember, your health is your wealth.